Hello everyone, in this video I explain page number 141 of a textbook, practice time. There is examples you have to solve, you have to do the multiplication like the textbook method. There is the page number 141, practice time. First guess the answer and then check it by calculation. कैलकुलेटिंग करके हमें ये आंसर्स लिखने हैं. मेथड कौन सी यूज़ करनी है? द एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म मेथड. I have to explain the expanded method while I make the video of the textbook. But once again, this practice time examples you need to solve in the notebook. So I once again make the video for these examples. The first example is here 42 multiplied by 23. So here let's we see that first of all the expanded form of 42 is 40 plus 2 and the expanded form of 23 is 20 plus 3. You have to arrange the expanded form 40 and 2 is the row wise, and here make the column of the 40 and 2 and same way the 20 and 3 it's a row. आपको क्या करना है, आप 20 और 3 को भी यहाँ रख सकते हो या तो फिर जो फर्स्ट नंबर है उसको कॉलम में अरेंज कर दो उसके एक्सपांडेड नंबर्स को, और जो दूसरा नंबर है मल्टीप्लायर जो है उसका जो एक्सपांडेड नंबर्स है उसको आप रो वाइज से अरेंज करना है. That after you have to multiply the first row and the first column. 4 2s are 8 and 0 0 means the answer is 800. And the second column and the first row 20 multiplied by 2, here 2 2s are 4 and the 0 2s are 0. Now the next row, the first column and the second row 40 multiplied by 3 you get 120. Here also you can write down 43s are, and same way here the second column and the second row is 2 3s are. Now you have to see that here you get the both first row and the second row having a 4 numbers. You have to just add this number 800 plus 40 plus 120 plus 6 and the answer you get 966. This addition you should do in a rough form and then check the answers and just write it down. The 966 is the sum, and in the blank also you should write down 966, and then after this you have to write down therefore 42 multiplied by 23 is equals to 966. Then after the second one example, it is of the textbook only. This one is here 73 multiplied by 11 is equals to blank. Once again you have to write down the expanded form of both the number. 73 is 70 plus 3, 11 is 10 plus 1. Now here you have to arrange the 73 both the expanded numbers in the column. First column is 70, second column is 3, 11, 10 plus 1, 10 is the first row and the 1 is the second row. Now the multiply first column and the first row. 70 multiplied by 10, 0 zeros are 0, 2 zeros you have, and the 7 ones are 7. Now the second column and the first row 10 threes are 30. Same way the second row multiply with the first column 17 ones are 70, and the second row and the second column it is 1 threes are 3. Add this all four, whatever the product you get means आपने जो दो नंबरों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन किया उसके आंसर को प्रोडक्ट कहते हैं. The product of this 4 products we have to add this. So here on the next page you write down add these numbers. 700 plus 30 plus 70 plus 3 is equals to 803. Therefore once again write down the question and is equals to answer. This answer you should also write down in the fill in the blanks. Now the next one number 51 multiplied by 13. Here you have to write down the first expanded form of 51. It is a 50 plus 1, and expanded form of 30 is 10 plus 3. Now you have to make the column. You have to arrange the 50 in the first column and 1 in the second column. Same way first row of 10 and the second row of the 3. Now you just multiply it. It is a 15 tens are, you get the 500, 5 ones are 5 and 2 zeros of both this number. Then after next is a 10. It is here first row it is a 10 and ones are means it is a 10 ones are 10. Now the second one row 3 and the first column is 50 means it is a 53s are, and you get 150, and same way here 3 ones are 3. Now you add all these 4 products means 500 plus 10 plus 150 plus 3. So you should write down downside after the box add these numbers. Now what are the numbers you have? यू हैव टू ऐड दिस इन द रफ। ओके, आपको सिर्फ उसको वन लाइन में अरेंज करना है और आंसर इज इक्वल्स टू करके लिखना है। उसका एडिशन यहाँ दिखाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, वो एडिशन आप पीछे रफ में कर सकते हो, इवन आप पेपर के साइड में भी कर सकते हो। हियर नाउ ऐड, यू हैव टू फर्स्ट ऐड वंस प्लेस 0 + 0 + 0 3, यू गेट 3। टेंस प्लेस 0 + 1 1, 1 + 5 6, then your tens place is 6. Now on a 100 place 5 + 1 and 6, and the answer you get 663. Therefore write down once again the question, 51 multiplied by 13 is equals to 663. Write down this same answer in your fill in the blanks. It is 663. Now we have to see that in your textbook there is a more another 3 examples is given, like a 54 multiplied by 12, 25 multiplied by 36, and the next is 12 multiplied by 14. ये सारे नंबर्स आपको खुद आपकी टेक्स्ट नोटबुक में सॉल्व करने हैं। आई होप कि सबको ये मेथड समझ आई है, और आपकी नोटबुक जैसे ही लास्ट चैप्टर्स जो है उसका राइटिंग पोर्शन ख़त्म होगा, उसके बाद मैं चेकिंग में मंगवाने वाली हूँ। तो आपको आपकी नोटबुक मेरे वीडियोस देखने के साथ साथ कंप्लीट करनी है, और इसकी भी PDF आपको मिल जाएगी, आप PDF में से भी लिख सकते हो। थैंक यू।